وَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. He has total control over everything. He has total power over everything. His decree is upon everything. His might is upon everything. His great grandeur is upon everything. His greatness controls everything. وَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. هُوَ الْأَوَّلُ وَالْآخِرُ وَالظَّاهِرُ وَالْبَاطِنُ وَهُوَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ عَلِيمٌ. That Allah is there from the beginning. Allah will be there at the end. And Allah is there in the apparent. And Allah is there when you want to hide away, Allah will be with you. يَعْلَمُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ يَعْلَمُ مَا يَلِجُ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَمَا يَخْرُجُ مِنْهَا وَمَا يَنزِلُ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ وَمَا يَعْرُجُ فِيهَا. Everything that you send upon the heavens, every message that you send out, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. Everything that goes through the satellites, Allah ta'ala knows. Everything that goes through your internet phone, Allah ta'ala knows. Everything, all your amal, Allah ta'ala knows. Whether good deeds are going up, Allah knows. Evil deeds are going up, Allah knows. وَيَعْلَمُ مَا يَلِجُ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَمَا يَخْرُجُ مِنْهَا. That which comes down upon the earth, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. That raindrop that falls upon the earth, Allah knows. That snowflake that falls, Allah ta'ala knows. مَا يَسْقُطُ مِنْ وَرَقَةٍ إِلَّا يَعْلَمُهَا. This is the knowledge of Allah. This is the power of the knowledge of Allah. That not a single tree drops its leaf without the permission of Allah, without the ilm of Allah, without the knowledge of Allah. يَعْلَمُ مَا فِي الصُّدُورِ. Not only that, He knows what is going on in your hearts as well. He knows what's going on in your mind as well. That little desire that passes through your heart and mind, and it never came back ever in your life, Allah Ta'ala knows. You may have forgotten, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala remembers that also.